First year ka ba and you are studying in BSME in Primsu Main Campus, IBA? Ito ang bidyong para sa iyo. So, our topic is right now, first sem ka pa, first year, first sem, you are now on the first week. You finish your first week and congratulations, pre. You are truly a 1 week old BSME sa Primsu. This topic will definitely address yung subjects mo as a first year in the first semester. Kung nandito ka pre, you want to learn, gusto mong malaman kung ano yung mga subjects that you should be aware of, and definitely pre, this will help you a lot. So, what are your subjects for the first sem? Ito makikita nyo sa screen ko. So, meron kang, ito, siguro this applies on my curriculum. Hindi ko sure kung nagbago na silang curriculum and bago na yung subjects nyo. But these are my first sem subjects when I was a first year student. So, meron akong GEC 1, Understanding the Sabihin ko na lang yung names ng mga courses. The Contemporary World, ASEAN Culture and Studies, Enhanced Communication Skills, Engineering Drawing, Fundamental Engineering Mathematics, Mechanical Engineering Orientation, Calculus 1, Physical Activities Towards Health, which is the PE, NSTP, which is the National Service Trading Program. Yan lang naman yung mga subjects mo. So, in total, ng mga subjects ko noon, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 subjects for the whole semester of the first year, first sem. And, so pre, ano ba tong meaning ng mga, definitely, you can see in the screen, ipa-flash ko to mama. Ipa-flash ko to as I edit yung units ng mga subjects na ito. So, what do I mean by units? So, itong units na to, pre, it only tells you about the time that you'll be consuming in this particular subject. So, definitely, yung pinakamarami kong time na dapat i-allot sa subject ko is yung 4 units ko, which is the Fundamental Engineering Math. If hindi ka aware, sa isang sem, pre, may limited ka lang na units na pwede matake. Sa amin, alam ko kung tama, i-debunk nyo na lang if I'm wrong. 26 units yata yung maximum namin. What does this tells you? 26 units lang pwede mo i-take sa first semester. Pag lumagpas ka ng 26 units, you have to drop those units na sumobra. So, mamimili ka ng subjects na i-drop. Wala pa naman yan, first sem ka pa lang, first year, and wala pang back subjects. If, ka naman, kung galing ka ng high school. So, doon lang tayo, galing kang high school and you want to learn about this. First of all, siguro as you enter college, you heard the news about things like major and minor subjects. Ano ba tong mga major and minor subjects na sinasabi natin? So, eventually, these terms are just layman terms, tama ba? Or tinawag lang nila sa mga subjects, pre. Wala talagang terms na minor and major. Kasi eventually, some teachers will get upset if you call their subjects minor subjects. Pero most of the time kasi my minor subjects na sinasabi nila is the subjects that you'll take same as other courses. Like sa CTE, meron ganitong mga subjects and yun yung tinatawag nila mga minor subjects. Bigyan ko na kayo ng idea what is the major subject that they call. Yung major subjects na mostly they call is yung subjects na only special sa course mo. Like this mechanical engineering orientation. Parang wala yan sa ibang courses. Yes. And eventually, another term na you'll hear in college is the prerequisite. What does this tells us, pre? In my vocabulary, pre, pagkakaintindi ko sa prerequisite, those are the subjects that you need to take, and if you don't take them, pre, you won't move forward to another subjects. Like, meron kasi siyang higher version. Kunwari, bibigyan ko yung example. Yung MTN4, which is Calculus 1, meron siyang prerequisite siya or co-requisite siya. No? Diba? Yung mga terms na yun, co-requisite, prerequisite. Maririnig mo yun talaga. Ganito lang yan, pre. Yung Calculus 1, you have to take that before you move on to Calculus 2. Paano kung nabagsak mo yung Calculus 1, hindi mo matitake for the next sem yung Calculus 2. Yun lang yun, pre. You must be aware of that. Ang tuturo ko ngayon sa inyo, what are the subjects that you have to keep an eye if you're an mechanical engineering student. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 3 subjects na important important test. Yun na, yun na lang yun, pre. For the sake of the argument. So, first of all, meron tayo dito, pre. Dapat mong tandaan, kailangan mo hindi mabagsak, pre. Tandaan mo to, pre. If mechanical engineering ka, kailangan mo ipasa yung drawing 1. Drawing 1. Sige, lagyan natin sila ng title. Wait a minute. Kailangan ipasa na lang. Ito yung mga kailangan mo ipasa. So, number 1, pre, the important. Sige, label natin the important. So, yan yung tawag natin sa akin. The important. Oh, important. Sana all important, diba? Drawing 1. So, what is drawing 1, pre? Engineering drawing, pre. Also, sabihin mo na, pre, ano siya? 1 unit. Alam ko, ano siya eh. Prerequisite siya ng AutoCAD. If I'm not mistaken. I-ano nyo na lang. Sorry, hindi na ako nakapag-fact check. So, balik tayo sa topic. The important is drawing 1, par. So, what is drawing 1 or engineering drawing? Itong subject na to, pre, maaalala mo lahat ng pagkabata mo, pre. Nung nakita ka ng magulang mo na magaling ka mag-drawing, uy, proud ako sa anak ko, ang galing mo mag-drawing. Dapat ka mag-engineer. Yes, ito na yun, pre. Ito na yun. Dito man naman sa show yung engineering skills of drawing mo, par. Yun ang pagkakakala ko. I mean, kailangan mo yun, pre. Pero eventually, spoiler alert, di mo talaga ma-apply lahat ng drawing skills mo. Ano ba yung mga dapat mong tandaan dito sa engineering drawing 1? Drawing 1 is definitely, pare. First tip, gagawin ko to ng full subject video, yung kailangan ipasa. Pero ngayon, ang first tip sa drawing 1 is that wag mo ikakram, pre. Wag kang magkakram. So, i-introduce na natin yung word na cramming. Ginagawa mo yung cramming pero unaware ka about this thing. What is cramming nga ba, pa? Cramming is basically, pre, pag nagre-review ka kinabukasan ng exam, yun yung, pre. Or nirarush mo yung project mo na 1 buwan yung deadline, pre, tapos nirush mo ng 1 day kasi kailangan mo na ipasa bukas kasi motivated ka lang ng deadline. Yun lang yun, pre. Diba? Ang galing mo, nagkakram ka na, high school pa. The thing is, pre, hindi siya applicable dito. Binigyan ka ng time, you have to finish it. Kasi yan ang itatopic natin sa video. Exclusive lang yun para sa engineering drawing. How to fight engineering drawing as a Ipanjin BSME student. And let's go, par. Without further ado, let's move on to the importanter. Tama ba spelling ko? Wala namang word na importanter. Mali pa spelling mo. Sino pa ba? MTN4. Uy, MTN4, my man. AKA par Calculus 1. Uy, Calculus 1, pre. Ang tinagurang subject ni Satanas, pre. Pero sa Primzo Iba Campus, ang Calculus 1 is subject ni Thanos. Uy, nagkakalabasa ng pre subject ni Thanos. Sino nga ba si Thanos? Hindi ko spoil, pare. Gagawa ako ng other video dyan, pare. But the thing is, let's move forward. Calculus 1, subject ni Thanos. You have to really have to pass this kasi, pre, it's the importanter nga, di ba? Importanter. Bakit importanter si Calculus 1? Kasi prerequisite nga siya ni Calculus 2, which is, sige. Sabihin na natin, ang Calculus 1 mo ngayon is also AKA derivatives. Uy, derivatives, pre. Nakaka-overwhelm. Sobrang dami naman yan, pre, derivatives. Huwag ka ma-overwhelm, pre. Sasabihin lang sa'yo yan. Alam niyo ba ang calculus? Slope lang yan. Okay? Saka na yan, hindi ko tatopic yan dito. Panoorin niyo na lang yan kay Homemade Math. Uy, na-flag si Sir. Ay, si tropa ni Sir. Uy, si Homemade Math, pre. I mean, he saved my life, pre. And definitely, he'll save yours. I'll make a video about Homemade Math, who is Thanos and such. Definitely, you have to look forward. Ang daming topics dito, pre. Sige, hina-hina lang tayo. Dito tayo sa subjects. Importanter, MTN4, which is Calculus 1. Sige, sabihin ko kayo ng hint. Pero gagawin ko rin siya ng individual video. You just have to widen your panguunawa and understanding of XYZ and such. Kasi, spoiler alert, Calculus 1 is just substitution. Bakit ka nasabing substitution? Substitution? Ha? Substitution? Pre, sinasabi ko sa inyo, pre, Calculus 1, sobrang daming nagmasteral, nag-doctorate dyan, pre, ng mga kabatchmates ko. And hindi siya basta-basta, pre. Kaya tinawag siyang subject ni Satanas and subject ni Thanos because of that name, pre. And you have to be aware of it. And definitely, pre, after ng subject ni Satanas, after subject ni Thanos, I'm not scaring you sa Calculus 1, pre. Hindi ko sinasabi na mahina pang subject yung Calculus 1, pero pre, these are the subjects that will determine how long you're going to stay in your journey. And definitely, you have to understand na engineering ka, pre, and you have to face this. Even though question ka sa sarili mo, applicable ba ito sa buhay? Applicable sa buhay mo yan, pre, kasi you need to pass that bago ka maging engineer. So, that's all. Joke. Meron pa tayo, pre. The most important test. Uy! Important test. If you're looking at this whole thing, yung mga list of your subjects, ang important test definitely has the highest of all units. Bakit highest of all units? You'll understand why ito ang pinaka maraming oras. So definitely, pre, you have the fundamental and so FEMA. Yes. Kung may subject ni Satanas, pre, na calculus, you have to really look at this, pre, and isipin mo, pa. Ganito na lang, pre, sasabihin ko yung experience ko dito sa FEMA. Bakit siya 4 units and such? Spoiler alert ulit, FEMA is definitely what is crucial to you as an engineering student. So, sabi ko sa inyo, kailangan niyo yan, pre. Eventually, pre, masasabi ko, pre, sobrang dami nag-masteral, nag-doctorate dito sa subject na to, pre. And the humor masteral doctorate, pre, magigets niyo yan, pre, pag sana hindi nyo magets. I mean, magigets nyo, sana magets nyo, and sana hindi nyo maranasan, pre, hindi kayo mag-doctorate sa isang subject, hindi sa college. And this is, hindi pa nanakot, pero I'm speaking about facts and statistics, what I heard, what I've seen, and I'm sad to say, pre, you have to face FEMA if you want to be an engineering student and you want to be a BSME or a registered ME, pre, RME. Uy, sana all RME, diba? So, fun fact about FEMA. So, spoiler alert, meron din tayong video, diba, na gagawin dyan. Sabi ko kanina, individual din yun. And this is the most important test because, pre, sabi ko nga kanina, diba, I'm just repeating myself. These are the skills you must have before moving forward. And you can't really move forward if you don't know these things. And FEMA, definitely, pre, kailangan mo rin ng konting idea about FEMA to pass your MTN4, which is calculus. And definitely, pre, crucial tong FEMA, pre. That's why it has 4 units on it. Spoiler alert ulit, FEMA is divided into 2 parts. So, nakwento sa amin nung prof namin, nung mga higher years sa amin na FEMA dati has FEMA 1 and FEMA 2, which is be taken differently, which is now compressed into FEMA na alam natin ngayon. And ito na tandaan nyo, pare. Sa midterms dito, ang topic namin sa FEMA, which is equations, para equations. And it's helpful, really helpful, kasi sa engineering, I can tell you, pre, you have to derive all the equations and formulas, kasi kung di ka marunong, just be stuck. And definitely, pre, sinasabi ko sa'yo, magiging doktor ka dito, pre, sa subject na to pag di mo inaral na mabuti. And I'm not scaring you off, pero you have to face what I have faced. One thing really crucial to you. And FEMA, pre, you have to learn the most important thing siguro is literal equation. Yes. And the second phase, which is in finals, if hindi pa na-broke yung spirit mo nito, which is my puerto, and I'm so glad na puerto ko yun kasi na-clutch ko siya. Huwag kayong magka-clutch, pre. Huwag kayong magka-clutch. I mean, pondohan nyo. As a senpai dito, pre, you have to pondo your midterms kasi, pre, really, you don't know what's in front of that. Kasi, pre, midterms is hard and finals is definitely the hardest. And clutching will make your life 50-50. Kaya, sabi ko sa'yo, pre, magkalso ka. Aralin mo, advanced study ka, pre. Ayun, nawala na ako. Ang topic mo nga dito, di ba, pre? Geometry. Uy, geometry, which is my puerto. I'm so glad this is my puerto kasi I passed FEMA. And, sige, sabihin na natin, nabagsak mo yung FEMA and such, or may nabagsak ka man dito sa tatlo na to. good thing, pre, first year ka. I have a good news for you and we will discuss that. Yun lang, pre, you have to remember this. Kailangang ipasa. I'm not saying, pre, na, 7 of these stuffs are not important, but, pre, ang dami kong experiences and sasabihin ko sa inyo yung experience ko na lang nung first sem. Gagawa na rin akong video na about my experience in the first sem, how it definitely changed my perception as a high school student. I'm your senpai and yeah, definitely galing tayo lahat sa high school and paano yun it changed my whole life. Definitely, pre, it will change your whole life talaga, pre. College is, ito na lang, one word to end the note, to end the conversation and such. College humbled us. That's all. I hope you learn these things, those basic things that you have, and sana may napulot kayo. Ang daldal ko yun. See you guys in the next video. Basta, yun na yun, pre. End ko na yun dito kasi marami na ako nasabi, marami na akong na-spoil na mga episodes natin. And what's up, diba? What's up? Yan, thank you for listening ulit. I love you guys. Hope makapasa kayo. Hope maging engineer kayo. Magiging engineer tayo, pre. Yes! Amen! Amen! Diba? Magiging engineer tayo. I love you guys. Peace!